Welcome, Coaster Spotters. It is Alex. It is December 8th, and we are at Islands of Adventure for another Jurassic Coaster construction update. As you can see right now, the pathway has changed quite a bit. We are now on a temporary pathway that's going right through the construction site. They have now torn out the walkways that we've been, walking over for years and years, so they can start preparing for that part of the construction. But, whoa. This is quite different. All right, so let's take you across the lake, show you what we can see. Man, a lot has changed, man. They are starting to terraform the land, footers going in. Oh my God, so much stuff is happening. This project is getting more and more exciting as the day goes by. Literally, as the day goes by, we're seeing differences. So let's go ahead. Check the rest. You can see these walls go right up to River Adventure. So they have cleared the site just to the edge of the reaches of River Adventure. Here are some of the first footers being poured. They are currently in a dam section of the lake, right in front of where the intake for Popeye is. That is why that ride has been closed for such a long time. At the same time, let's hope they did a full rehab to some of the stuff that's been looking worse for wear while it's been down.